Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make cauliflower rice. Cauliflower is naturally high in fiber and vitamin B. So this cauliflower here has been washed, so I'll go ahead and cut this in two. You can cut it in four, and we're gonna go ahead and grate this. You can either use this side of the grater or you use the smaller size of the grater, but I'll be using the bigger one. So when grating this, just be careful with your hand. With cauliflower, you can eat it with any soup of your choice, beans, stew, or any soup of your choice. Cauliflower, it also helps to lose weight. For those who want to lose weight, you can also help you to lose some weight. So guys, we are done grating our cauliflower. So at this point now, we're gonna go ahead and put our non-stick pot on the stove with a little bit of oil. I will go ahead and put in all the cauliflower that has been grated inside, and I will give a quick stir. You don't want your cauliflower to get burned, so make sure you stir it frequently so it doesn't get burned. And now we're gonna go ahead and add Maggi, and we're adding salt. You put your Maggi and salt. Onions, you can also put onion in here. Onion is optional for those who want. If you want, you can add onions. And we're gonna go ahead and keep stirring this because we don't want it to get burned or get sticky. After stirring this, we're gonna cover this and let it cook for 2 minutes until it's soft. Guys, our cauliflower is ready. It's ready. This is really easy to cook. This is just about 5 minute thing to cook. Our cauliflower is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.